handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Oh, I love you. Come on now, follow my lead. Crazy. Oh, back on my lap. You want to look at downtown? You've never been downtown before. She's just very curious. You're vicious. You're just not tall enough yet. You're too short. No offense. Hi guys, I just thought it would be fun to do a bit of a vlog today. CJ is up north working on some secret plans, and me and Passport, hi baby, we're going on a date. So we have been driving around downtown Minneapolis, and I drive here pretty much for a living, and I never have to park anywhere, you know, so it took us forever to find parking, but we finally found parking, and now we are going to go on a beautiful walk. I'm so excited. We're gonna walk around downtown. I'm gonna introduce her to the city, and then maybe we'll get like a fun coffee drink or something. But anyway, if you're new to this channel, sorry for the long-winded intro. Please subscribe if you are new here. Give this video a like if you want to see more videos with my cute baby little puppy, and comment down below what else you want to see. And follow me on all of my social medias as well. And alright, let's get into the video. Blah, 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 blah. Space. So far we saw 3 gothic looking teenagers smoking marijuana from a joint. That was fun. They thought that Passport was really cute, so plus. And then we also saw a guy try to park behind me in the space behind me, and he hit the car behind us and like bounced off of it a few times. That was also interesting. So I don't know, where do you want to go? She is so thirsty. She's eating all the snow that we can find. I'm such a mess. My chin is numb because I am so cold, but I forgot to write down where we parked. So I've got no idea where we're going. All right, come on. But that's all just part of the adventure, right? Yeah, the adventure. As you can see, we found the car. I'm tired. Well, she has assumed the let's drive position, so I guess that means it's time to go. I'm tired. Look at my cheeks. Look at my cheeks and my nose. Oh boy. Yeah, it's definitely still a bit chilly out there. It's about 38 degrees Fahrenheit. So I stopped at this place called Sunny's Cafe and I got a $5 scoop of sorbet and a cup of water for her. So we are just gonna go enjoy that in the sunshine.
Oh.
They got her a big bowl instead. That's so nice. Did you say thank you? I will say, for $5, this is pretty delicious. That was so nice, wasn't it? Yes. Oh, yeah. And she snagged a little bite of my sorbet as well. And she liked it because it was really good. Highly recommend, even though it was $5. But I got the dairy-free passion fruit flavor, and he said that they use no artificial ingredients, no artificial colors, and that it's all natural and good for you. So, well, not good for you, but you know what I'm saying. So I got that, and I'm just gonna head home now because this little girl, she might not seem like it now, but she is tired. So we are gonna head home now and take a little nap, aren't we? Yes, we are going to take a nap. I still have gelato on my fingers, or not gelato, but sorbet, so she is living for that. Is it good? We have made it home, and this girl is so tired. She is so ready for a nap, and I'm actually eating something so delicious. It's chickpeas with some guacamole and nutritional yeast. Oh my god. It's so, so good. I love it. So, yeah, we're just gonna take a little nap because we're both pretty exhausted. We had a long couple hours in the city, so we are just going to relax, take a little nap, and bite mommy. That's nice. Why do you do that? You're beautiful. You're so tired. You had a good day though. You had a really good day.
Raped by dogs. It works. Why are you dressed like a beekeeper? Sun is dangerous.
So I just got home from the movie. It's kind of cool only having to drive 45 seconds to get to a movie. But anyway, I just got home. Get Out was very good. I wish it had been scarier because, to be honest, it wasn't that scary. So that was a bummer, but as for like a movie, it was a very good movie in my opinion. I got a small popcorn with butter. If you didn't know, movie theater butter is almost always vegan. I got a Powerade Zero Lemon to drink. And that was nice. A weird thing. But anyway, I'm going to go let my dog outside and then go snuggle with her and go to sleep. It's about 9:30 and I'm full. I'm satisfied. Today was good. I miss CJ, but otherwise it was a good day, and I'm glad that you guys were here to share it with me. Sorry about the quality of the video. I promise, like, I will get a camera again soon. Money's tight. So yeah, I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for being my friend on the internet today. Make sure to do all the things. I already mentioned them in the beginning of the video, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye. Lick it good, lick it just like you should my neck.